Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for Friday, September 25th, 2015. It's a final day of the week, and I hope you all are planning for the weekend and are looking forward to a very lovely weekend because I know I am. Okay, what we have in front of us is the daily chart of the euro currency. This euro versus the US dollar, and the market is unchanged this morning. I'm recording this video fairly late. It's approximately 11 o'clock Eastern, and the markets are unchanged in terms of the euro. Now, support in the euro is still at this trend line, as we can see. This trend line coming up, we have pretty strong support. And I actually did think that the market would have tested that support this week, but the market did not have the energy to come down to that support area with the euro versus US dollar. Okay, nothing much happening in the euro, but the British pound is down on the day and is challenging this support point. Yesterday I spoke about the fact that this is monthly support, monthly S1 along with the weekly S2. So it's very interesting to see how the market reacts to this area. Earlier this morning, digging down to the 5-minute chart, the market briefly breached the support point but quickly popped back up. Taking a look at the 60-minute chart, we can see more clearly where the market breached the area of support and quickly popped back up. So, and this area is very significant for the British pound, not because just the monthly pivot point numbers, but we have a previous support area in June. Market tested it in September and is testing it again here in late September. And if this area is breached to the downside, we could get a retest of the 146 low with the British pound. The good thing with the British pound is that when it trends, it tends to trend fairly well. Taking a look at the Japanese yen, we're in a triangular consolidation pattern, but as you can see, the market is just breaking out of this consolidation pattern, and you can see more clearly on the 4-hour chart. We see this consolidation pattern has held the market for the last 2 months or so, roughly, and the market is now breaking out of this area. I would still like to see the market close above the 121.32 level. We're currently at 120.78. If the market closes above 121.32, that would be fairly bullish for this market, and we could see a renewed uptrend. The Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen, as I said, is taking its cue from the stock market, and the stock market is up this morning, up slightly this morning, and with the stock market, we want to see, this is a chart of the daily chart of the SPY, which is the ETF that tracks S&P 500. With the stock market, we want to see the market close above 202.89 on the SPY. Taking a look at the Japanese yen again, the market broke out of the triangular consolidation pattern and retested this area, and is now the buyers have come in along the retest. They retested this trend line, as you can see, and buyers are coming in, and we just have to wait to see if this is a true breakout where the market remains above this trend line, or will the market turn back down into the consolidation pattern, which is very possible because these markets over the last couple of months have been relatively choppy. Okay, other market of interest is the gold market. Gold was up big yesterday. The market just moved suddenly after I recorded the daily market update. When I started the daily market update, market was just anemic and it just moved up yesterday. But gold is still in a downtrend, and this could be even a triangle in a downtrend. So we have to look at gold very carefully, because if the market breaks below this triangle, that will be fairly bearish for the gold market. Okay, taking a look at the Canadian dollar market, attempted or did trade to new highs yesterday, but did not close above the high. The high point was 133.53. The market traded above that point and could not close above that area. So we're just waiting to see with the USD Canadian, can the market close above? See, I drew the red line. Can the market close above this red line? This red line resistance with the USD Canadian dollar. Okay, taking a look also at the Australian dollar, cycling through most of the pairs this morning. We see the market is up slightly, and the market support in this market is at 69, and resistance is up at 73. And the Australian dollar has been very good for this downtrend that we have seen in the market. Okay, and the final market I'm going to take a look at is the euro versus the Japanese yen. It broke out of this consolidation pattern, but promptly traded right back in, and the market is now in no man's land. But the bias with this market is slightly to the downside. It's not massively to the downside, slightly to the downside. And if we do close above 138 and 140, then that would negate that downside bias, and we could see a move up to the 142 area. Okay, so it was a very interesting week in the markets. Markets still are consolidating, but generally, I am anticipating some larger moves because we are coming up to the last quarter in the year, and the last quarter is normally fairly active. Just like how summer can be inactive, the last quarter of the year can be active. If you'd like to have these trading signals, the trading signals can be sent directly to your trading account. You can click the link below this video to get started with the signals and participate in these moves that are happening with the Forex market. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see each other again on Monday morning, bright and early. Thank you.